Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am preparing some Jamaican chicken soup. Oh my goodness. I am a lover of soup of all kinds. So please, if you'd like to see how I prepare this meal, stick around. So guys, I am so excited to cook this. Saturdays used to be one of my favorite days because I know grandma was always going to cook some type of soup, whether it be gunga pea soup, chicken soup, fish soup, or even some soup with some beef in it. I love all kinds of soup, and my mouth is watering so badly just with the thought of how good this soup is going to be. All right guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're just going to go ahead and wash our chicken with some white vinegar and pour some in the water, let it sit for a moment, then wash it off, and let's put it in our pot. So the two things I like to put in first is the chicken and the pumpkin, because that takes the longest to cook. I'll put a little salt in the water. So my pumpkins have been cut up in little cubes, and I'm just rinsing them off. Then I'm just gonna pop this in the pot. Alright. We're just gonna add the pumpkin to the pot with the chicken and let that cook. Alright, so I like to add a little flour. Go ahead and mix that around. Then add water. This is pretty much what my dough looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and make some spinners, throw in my pot. Alright, so I pinch a piece of the dough, and I'm just going to roll it together. That's what my dumplings look like, okay? That's how I like them. You're just gonna go ahead and pop it in the pot. And you're gonna do the rest of them the same exact way until you have as much dumpling as you like. One thing I forgot to put in earlier was my scallions. Now that looks more like my type of pot. Yum. Look at all that beautiful oil from the chicken skin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some pumpkin flavored soup mix to my pot. You can see that the pumpkin is giving the pot that beautiful yellow color. Let's go ahead and add the pumpkin mix. Okay, so all of this is what's going into my pot. My potatoes, my chocho, carrots. Yeah, that's about it. My dumplings are already in, my chicken is in, and oh yes, I forgot. We're gonna put some corn in there as well. Alright. Little chocho. Going in. Potato. Corns. Now this is what you call one hefty pot. Boy, you cannot be hungry after you have this soup. It's going to be amazing, guys. Look at all this yumminess in this pot, guys. Oh my God. I cannot wait. Seriously. You guys have to try this recipe out, okay? This is Jamaican chicken soup with the entire works. Yeah? I don't have enough patience for this to finish cooking, I swear I don't. It needs to hurry on up because my tummy is rumbling and my taste buds is excited. Okay, our soup is ready, so let's eat. Alright guys, so here goes the finished dish of my Jamaican chicken soup. How delicious, mouth-watering, and healthy. Yum. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a message below. Tell me which one is your favorite soup. Mine is definitely hands down chicken soup. Love you guys.